Alrighty, let's take a look at this question. So we want the expanded form of 2a plus 3 to the exponent of a minus 5 has 7 terms. The value of a is. Okay, so if we look, a is in the exponent, and one of the things that we should remember about binomial theorem is that the exponent is basically equal to our n value in the generic x plus y to the n, and the number of terms is equal to n plus 1. So if it has 7 terms, that means 7 equals, and our exponent is a minus 5, and then we add 1 to that, and that gives us the number of terms. And now it's just an equation we have to simplify. So negative 5 plus 1 would be negative 4. So 7 equals a minus 4. Add 4 to the other side. So a would equal 11. All right, that eliminates C and D from our list. Now, second part of the question, the coefficient on the first term. Okay, so if we were to do kind of an expansion, the first term, let's set one of our terms up like this. We have something, choose something, a set of brackets to represent x, the first term in our binomial, and then another set of brackets for the second term in our binomial. So 2x goes here, 3 goes there, and the n value goes here, which we now know is, that was finding a, and there was 7 terms, so our n would have been 6. Would have been a good idea to write that down somewhere. Yeah, the exponent would have been 6. Okay, now let's, sorry, I got distracted there for a minute. And the coefficient of the first term. Okay, so the first term, if you remember how this goes, it always starts off with 6 choose 0 for the first term. Now that last number in this n choose k is also the last exponent on our second set of brackets. And then the exponents have to add to our n value, which our n value is equal to 6 because we had 7 terms, and the exponent's 1 less than that. So that means this exponent has to be a 6 if they're going to add to 6. And now we just simplify it. So we would, 6 choose 0 is going to be 1. 2 to the 6, we got to make sure we apply the 6 to both the 2 and the x. 2 to the 6 is 64, x to the 6, and then the second thing, 3 to the 0, anything to the 0 is 1, and that would mean when we multiply all that, we just simply get 64 x to the 6. So the coefficient that they were asking about would be the number in front, so 64. So that means our answer would be A. There we go. I hope that helped.